Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Fetch.AI. I get this request a lot from not only our community members, I think it was Matilda had requested for me to cover this here. It is in our request section there. Definitely no problem. Also Jeremy too as well, one of my longtime YouTube followers. So appreciate y'all requesting I cover this. Quick congrats just before we start for our premium trade group here. Our premium members, nice 31% from Chainlink, trade we took last night. Older profits from ENJ, XRP, ICP, and Litecoin. Nice last 24 hours for us. Communities taking some healthy profits. So congrats again. I get the question a lot. Where do I register? CryptoCash.tech is a site link down below. If you want to see our results, those are on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Pretty awesome profits. So again, once more, really good stuff. So FET, what do we do here? Do we want to take a long position? It seems pretty overextended. Logically, you'd say no, but generally speaking, it's killing it, and there's no reason for it to slow down. Let's talk about that. Now, what I mean by that is that all the moving averages are moving up, right? That's fantastic. Always bullish on the daily. Most altcoins right now are exuding the same behavior. So we can't just kind of get sucked into the fact that the macro looks good to just kind of keep presuming the price will go up. But generally speaking, that's the concept too, though, right? We have a good macro. The likelihood of the price, in the big picture, continuing higher is greater. So this coin has that quality. We've stayed over 70 in the RSI for quite a while now. If we take a look at this, February 17th is the last time we've been below the 70 on that resistance, okay? Now, as you can see, we've broken some pretty solid resistance levels at that point, and the price is not looking back, okay? So the truth is we shouldn't experience price pullback dramatically in the near future, just based on the fact that the volume is staying so high in the last couple of weeks that there's no reason for it to come back down. Okay, so let's pay attention to our money flow index. As long as that green guy here stays high, we're good. Stochastic's still swinging up. There's no reason to consider shorting this coin. Okay, I know it seems like a dream come true if you're like a monster shorter, but good chances are if you're leaning more towards shorting right now, you're probably finding a lot less success because the market is not a short market. Okay, different coins provide different results, but this coin is on fire and there's no reason to bet against it. Bounced perfectly off this 0.236 fib level. They're about 156, looking awesome. Looking like it wants to continue to break further here. Let's discuss where we're at in the 4 hours. So we're truly bullish here with the 4 hour. All moving averages are good. We can see we are back up over 70 on the RSI. Also a great sign with high money flow index. Stochastic swinging up. MACD, MACD FU is what I call it, right? Because it should have diverged here, and a lot of people are probably trying to short are like, oops, it didn't continue lower. I got screwed. Yeah, you got screwed because that's an MACD FU. FU MACD, right? So again, it's just a word that I made up, honestly, but generally speaking, with that in combination with stochastic RSI swinging up, breaking through that key level resistance, there's really no reason why we should expect the price to go down at this point, okay? All right, so again, I know easier said than done, of course. It's easier to look at this now and be like, oh, I told you so. This isn't a told you so. This is just a straight up situation letting you know that there's a lot of bullish signs and there's no reason to bet against it. Ichimoku Cloud is giving us some conflicting information, but also not. In other words, we have broken free from the lagging span here. So free and clear means that we have a good consideration for a long. Conversion line above the baseline, well, all well and good. We stayed and maintained above the cloud. We have done that for this entire time. And as I mentioned previously, I've covered this coin a few times. There's no reason to consider shorting this coin. Okay, until we break below the cloud, we're green light, good to go. Okay, so not saying to just take a long right now, but you're gonna have tremendously more success considering long positions with this coin than you are shorting it. Okay, there will be a point in which a short might be viable, and of course, you're probably the kind of person that already posted your Twitter results, right? You got your 7-8%. More like 700-800% return because you did a 100x leverage trade, right? But how many times did you try that before you got it right? Low leverage, low position size is the key, folks. That's the only reason why I say that. Sarcasm, all sarcasm aside, I can tell you that that's really the way that we survive and thrive in our markets. Look at all these trades here that we've taken. Every single profit that we've taken over the last few weeks, there's all low leverage, 5 to 6, 7x leverage on swing trades for my my altcoins, and I 10x leverage Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, just again, common rule of thumb: keep your leverage low, and your success will follow. That's what we got here, though, folks. Also, Fetch.AI is getting added to Bitunix here soon. They're upgrading their servers here tomorrow, later this evening in the States. And if you use my link to register, you'll be eligible for this trading competition. You do have to actually hit login and enroll, right? You're not going to be eligible unless you do that. So be sure to check that out. Awesome stuff. Thank you again, Bitunix. No KYC or VPN required for them. I hope you have a great rest of the day. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks again so much for reaching out. To anyone who has questions about our community, jump on over to our Discord. Feel free to message me, ask questions on the website, whatever you want. Be happy to help. But it's an awesome opportunity. Thanks again for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Greatly appreciate that too. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.